So in this video, we are going to be analysing HKD. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we can continue this 36% up on the day move? And really our closest level is very far off from where we are now, being at $120, which would be our statistical mean on the 1 year chart. So firstly, seeing this, we will give you levels on these longer term charts, but considering how far they are off, we will give you lower levels on a lower term chart, just to give you some closer levels to where we are currently trading. But if you're looking at this on a longer horizon, we do have levels at 120, 175, 445, 663, 762, 1040, 1080, 1400, and a final level at 1800. So really, at least on a statistical basis, even if this stock goes extreme, we probably won't see it go back to where it was at its previous high of around $2,500. But again, a stock that can go from $12 to $2,500, if it has enough hype, it can break all statistical reality and just go crazy. Now I would go into a shorter term time frame to get some more reasonable levels, and really this can give us one level a bit close to where we are now at $85.50. So really that would be the key resistance to where we are now. Now probably more importantly, what are going to be support levels on HKD? And as of right now, our closest support level is at $33.80, which is our statistical mean on the 20 day. If you're watching this video after the week of September 14th, then don't pay attention to that level anymore because it would have changed and it's no longer going to be valid. To find instead the stronger levels, we would need to go onto the longer term time frame. And what you can see, not all that surprisingly, is all the deviations are negative. It's a minus $100 and a minus $200 on both deviations. The reason for this is this stock has been so crazy that the deviations have got so wide and that they have turned negative. So we can't give you any support levels apart from using the the psychological levels. So $30, $25, $20, and really just those key psychological levels to the downside would be what we're paying attention to. But really on this stock overall, we would kind of just expect to fade down, considering it IPO'd around $12. It went very crazy on hype. Really, unless hype comes back, it's going to fade. And one thing I do want to note with this stock, I don't personally hold any money in this stock. I'm not holding the shares, I'm not holding options, short, long, or anything like that. So I don't have any buys from this stock. These are just the levels I would be paying attention to if I was looking to trade it. But again, I don't actually trade this stock because I prefer large cap stocks myself. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video here.